Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not going to be about makeup. I'm going to be testing out the L'Oreal Root Cover-Up Temporary Gray Concealer Spray. Although I'm not using it for gray hairs, I'm using it for my roots. I'm telling you, if this can get me through like 3 months of not having to get my hair done, I'm going to be so happy. Like, I like to wait at least 3 months. 8 weeks, whatever, I'm just gonna like damage my hair, and I'm already blonde, so my hair is naturally already damaged. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't watched any tutorials on it. I don't know anything about this. So if you would like to see me test this out on my roots, please keep watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read the bottle first. I got the shade light to medium blonde. You get 2 ounces. Quick and easy, dries in a flash, lightweight, no smudging or sticky residue when dry, lasts 1 shampoo, ammonia-free, peroxide-free, no synthetic dyes. Directions: shake well, hold can 4 to 6 inches from hair, spray color onto new growth and partly through the length of hair to blend in color. Customized for light to medium blondes. So I just popped off the lid real quick, and there's like a little pointy thing on the aerosol can, so I guess that will make it more precise, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the L'Oreal website as well. So this is rated 4 stars out of 2,561 reviews. It comes in 4 shades and it retails for $10.99. I got mine at Target, so I can't really remember how much I paid. I know I didn't pay more than $10. So this says 3 seconds to flawless roots, temporary root touch-up spray. Our Magic Root Cover-Up conceals grays in seconds for flawless roots. Get seamless coverage with our lightweight formula that leaves no smudging or sticky residue when dry. And that's ammonia and peroxide free. Perfect for in-between color or salon visits, which is exactly what I want it for. Lasts into your next shampoo. How to: shake well, hold can 4 to 6 inches from hair, spray color onto new growth and partly through the length of hair to blend in color. So we're going for it, I guess. I'm gonna lower my chair a little bit more so you can see the top of my head. Ah! I think it worked. Okay, I guess I'm gonna get a little bit back here too. I can't even see what I'm doing, so hopefully it's okay. And of course, I don't have a brush down here. So I don't know if I need... I guess I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Do you see all this smoke up here? I'm gonna wait like a second and then I'm gonna run my fingers through it, make sure it's completely dry. I'm gonna do like a side-by-side of before and then now, so that way we can really see. The only downside, I think, is like I would want to spray back here too, and I can't see. So I think I would need Frank or Jaden to like help me spray the roots like back here because I can't see that. So I'm just gonna run a comb through it. I mean, I can definitely still see like the darkness from where my roots are, but it's like way better. But to me, I don't know if I sprayed too much, but it feels sticky to me. And I'm pretty sure this is the lightest shade that they offer for blonde hair. Okay, so right here doesn't feel, oh yeah, right here feels like gunky. This is definitely something that I'm going to continue to use because I really think it works. But I think next time I'm just gonna spray a little at a time because it is on my fingertips too, and right here just feels really sticky and clumpy. But it did give me some like volume up here too. So yeah, minus me putting way too much right here because like I said, I can feel that. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, you could even probably like spray like the whole perimeter around your face, but like I plan on wearing my hair down straight, so you're not gonna really be able to see it. But if I was gonna wear my hair curly, I would totally spray like around here. But I'm pleasantly surprised with this. I feel like it's definitely something that's going to get me through to the salon visits, but I plan on going like super blonde. So I wonder how this will look, because I have lowlights in my hair right now, so I can kind of get away with like my roots. But when I'm super blonde, which is normally my hair color for like the whole summer and like half of fall, my roots look so bad that, because my hair is like white blonde, and then when my roots grow in, even though my roots aren't that dark naturally, because I am like a dark blonde naturally, but when I have like white blonde hair, my roots almost look black. So I would be interested to see how this works with like white blonde hair. But I guess I'll do a few check-ins throughout the day. Like right now I'm filming a foundation first impressions, so I already need to do check-ins for that anyway. So I'll do check-ins for the hair too and let you guys know what I think. But so far so good. So let me know if you guys have tried this product in the comments below, and if it worked for you and what color hair you have. So I'm just like curious, because I think this is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna go out throughout my day. I'll do a few check-ins with you guys and see if it really does last. And I probably won't wash my hair for, I just washed it today, so I probably won't wash it again for like 2 days. So maybe I'll just like do a check-in per day until I get ready to wash my hair, and then we'll really be able to see if this lasts to your next shampoo. I wonder if it's gonna get on my pillowcase though. So it's 8 o'clock now. I can't remember what time I put that hair root spray in, but I feel like it already faded. And it said it was supposed to last until your next shampoo, but to me, I can see all my roots again. Oh, and then too, my scalp started burning really bad too, to the point where I almost washed my hair again. It stopped burning, but I can definitely still see my roots.